Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain PayPal Business App Preview to see with what using. The PayPal Business App is designed for small businesses owner and entrepreneur who want a convenient way to manage payment, send invoicing, and track transactions on the go. It lets you create and send professionals looking invoice directly from your phone, bill payment in real time, transfer fund to your bank account, and even issue refund. The app also lets you check your account balance instantly viewing a history of transaction and generate report, all from a simple, easy to navigate interface. It's especially useful for business that already use PayPal to get paid by client or customers. So whether for a freelancer service, online sales, or in-person payment, the main appeal of the PayPal Business app lies in its simplicity and reputation. PayPal is a well-established platform trusted by millions of business and customers, which makes a transaction smoother and more creditable. However, it is not without a drawback. Some sellers find the fee a bit higher, typically between 2.9% to 30 cents per transaction, and there can be a occasional hold on payment, dispute, or account freeze that are hard to resolve quickly. Furthermore, it's not a full accounting and inventory tools, so it meant a primarily for payment and invoicing. So if you are convenient with solution for small business or a freelancer worker who want a flexible, no forced way to get paid, it might be enough. If you need a more comprehensive financial platform, and that's it.